All right, today we're kicking off Adobe Illustrator Made Easy. We're going to be going over the fundamentals of how to use the program, starting today with setting up a new document. So we'll go to File in the menu and hit New. I'm not sure what it shows up for you on your end, but we're going to look over here at the presets that Adobe Illustrator gives us. So under mobile, it's got a number of different phone settings, obviously for mobile. For web, the same thing here. And print, the more common sizes, letter, A4, legal, tabloid. Film and video, we've got 720, 1080, and looks like 4K and 8K. And there are a number of other formats that'll help you get started on in art and illustration. So these are just going to be different formats for creating a new work. So we will start on print, and I'm just going to hit letter and create. And here's our artboard. Now, if you find yourself working on a document and for some reason the dimensions aren't working for what you want to do, you can select the artboard tool, which the shortcut is Shift-O, and bring up your rulers, Command-R, Control-R. Now I don't work in points, which is how the document is set up to open. So if you go to the corner, the top left corner, and you right click or you hold Control and click on a Mac, and I'm not sure what key that would be on a PC, but you right click it and you can come down and change that to inches. So now we're converted to inches. We can see up here, these are our artboard dimensions, 8.5 by 11. And let's say I'm working on a flyer and then I was told that this needs to be a half-page flyer. So what I can do is I can change the 8.5 in width to 5.5 right here, and I can hit Tab and it'll advance to the next section and go 8.5. So now I have a half-page flyer document right here that I can create that flyer on. You can also select that tool and come up to the artboard presets, and you can scroll through, and all of the options that it gives you in the beginning are available here. We can change it to tabloid, and that gives us an artboard of 11 by 17. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for good measure. I hope you have a great week, and stick around for the next one.